Once more, my name is Godwin, the author of African Bedtime Stories. Have fun and enjoy yourself.
Masquerades!
Good. Okay. In some African villages, the masquerades were called spirits of the dead and treated with sacredness to maintain their mystery so that nobody will challenge them. They maintain peace and order during events. They also entertain with music and dances during festivals. Yes, they did. But only few people knew that actually the masquerades were men who wore masks and disguised themselves with leaves, raffia, shells, and other scary objects. They want to look scary so that people can run away from them, okay? But inside they are human beings. One day, a man called Dike was accused of not giving a share of his farm produce to the villagers as required by custom. He disregarded several warnings by the elders to obey the custom. At one point, the elders summoned him to the Obi, the palace. The palace in Igbo land is called Obi. They waited for him from sunset to dusk, but Dike didn't show up. What an insult to the elders from this man. He must surely pay for this. Why should the elders call him and he refused to come? Therefore, the elders resolved to send masquerades to his house. Do you now see? The masquerades were instructed to burn his house down and beat him up if he resisted. Yes, those masquerades wore masks, but they're human beings. And it's only when they wear masks that they can go and attack. Dike got a wind of the plan and waited for them with a dark liquid dye which he prepared by boiling uri seed. There is a seed called uri seed. Uri seed is a local dye that produces very dark permanent dye used for local tattoos. You see the tattoos people do on their skins, on their faces, and on their necks. Now we use uri seeds to produce the tattoos, okay? So, night came. The chicken had gone to roast, and the whole village was silent. A gentle cold wind blew, the type that was said to wake up the spirits from the graves. There were rumors that the night spirits were out to hunt evil people. The drums and flutes of the night spirits could be heard from a distant place. There were strange sounds and noise all over the village. One spirit actually climbed a palm tree and made a fire on top of it. Hey, I'm scared myself. Who else could climb a tall palm tree in the dark? Yet they say these are not spirits. Somebody is imagining. How can you say these are not spirits? We are hearing all these sounds. They must be spirits. Let's see what happens. Listen. People wonder. Children clung to their mothers in fear. Oh, nobody knew where the spirits could descend. Hey, they were all scared. Hey. The activities of the masquerades were planned in great secrecy, high secrecy, so that they could take their victims by surprise. However, today, the masquerades were in for a surprise themselves. Dike had climbed an orange tree in his compound with buckets full of black dye. As the masquerades, numbering about 20, made their way to his compound. they started making strange sounds. They made smoke, burned incense, and fired then guns to frighten people. Hoi, hoi, where is that coward? Hoi, hoi, where is that coward? Hoi, hoi, where is that coward? That was what they were shouting and coming. The spirits want you. Dike's wife and children screamed and cried for mercy. Suddenly, Dike unleashed buckets full of hot liquid dye on the masquerades. They scampered for safety. Hoi, hoi, hoi! They screamed and ran for their lives. In the morning, the men who wore the masks tried to clean the dye. They tried to clean the dye, but it couldn't be washed off. From that day on, everybody in the village, including children, knew who the masquerades were. So these masquerades were not spirits after all. What a superstition. The children laughed and made fun of them. They laughed and made fun of them. This is the end of this story. I hope you're no longer scared. So masquerades are not spirits, okay? Good. Any lesson? Just one lesson. Can you give it to me?
Auntie, I learned that it's good to face your problem and not. It's good to think about your problem and not fearing about what you have.
Okay. You should be courageous to face your problem. So, I learned that truth requires courage. If you must tell the truth, you must be courageous, okay?
Monkey, we went to the lion's den. The beast and the bears were there. And suddenly monkey came down and jumped before them there. The monkey gave a jump right to the lion's knees. The lion's knees hit down the monkey, and that is the end of the monkey. One day all animals went traveling. They packed all their loads together. They said the hungriest must carry all their load, and at once the baboon started weeping. One day all animals went traveling. They packed all their loads together. They said the hungriest must carry all their load, and at once the baboon started weeping. One day all animals went traveling. They packed all their load together. They said the hungriest must carry all their load, and at once chimpanzees started weeping. One day all animals went traveling. They packed all their load together. They said the hungriest must carry all their load, and at once chimpanzees started weeping. One day all animals went traveling. They packed all their loads together. They said the hungriest must carry all their load, and at once the baboon started weeping. One day all animals went traveling. They once the baboon started weeping. One day all animals went traveling. They packed all their loads together. They said the ugliest must carry all their load, and at once gorilla started weeping. One day